Do you want to know how you can log into your Dominion Isolved Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Dominion Isolved Payroll account. Go ahead and search for Dominion Payroll Login Isolved, and you can see this is the first link which appears. Go ahead and click on this link, and if it doesn't appear, you will be headed to the official login portal or the official page of Dominion Payroll. You can see login on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on it, and you can see Isolved over here on the first one, and you can see Isolved Timeforce. So you can use any of these. If you go to Isolved, you can see this type of interface where you can write down your username. So go ahead and write down your username, and you can click remember my username. Go ahead and click next after that and write down your password. After you write down your password, the next step is to check your password once again. If your username and password matches with your Dominion Payroll account and your Dominion Isolved Payroll account, then you can click login, and then you can access your Dominion Isolved Payroll account. So there is another option over here called Isolved Timeforce. You can also go ahead and click on it, and it will lead you to another portal of Isolved Timeforce. You can also do the same type of login by writing your username, your password, and your company code, and finally you can click login. This way you can easily log into your Dominion Isolved Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.